Hi my friend, so glad to see you. Today, let me show you some professional knowledge of precision processing method. In order to match more and more clients' high precision requirements, we establish a high precision workshop. This is our precision CNC working shop. There are many precision CNC machines in it. Okay, let's go. We are processing high precision requirement mold core, insert, electrode, and many other parts in this precision workshop. This CNC machine is Rhodes. It's imported from Germany. The precision of this equipment reaches 0.002 mm. It could change the tools massively, saving the time, improve the working efficiency. Meantime, Rhodes CNC running with the very high rotary speed. After CNC processing, the surface of mold core will be very bright. No need to polishing again. Okay, so much for today. Next time I will show you more precision working shop. Okay, see you next time.